Oh, my name is Linda K. Black. I was a preschool teacher. There was a bird here right a while ago. Here, birdie. Oh, I don't hear any birds right now. Yeah. See, this is a high school, and they have a fence here and things on the fence so people can't look in. Okay. There's a boat going down the street. Somebody has a boat hooked up to their truck. Okay. That's interesting. There's palm trees. See, look right there. That thing grew. One thing different about Canada, in Canada they let everything grow. Looks beautiful, like Bush Art Gardens. But in the States, it's like we chop everything down. This make everything alike, chop it down. You can see the mountains. Can you see the mountains? Okay. Lake Isabel is that way. Tehachapi is that way. See a tall tree? That's a tall tree. Ooh. Right here on this part right there's 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. And I'm in the shade now. Okay. Oh, a bird. Two birds. Can you see them on the fence? One flew away. Oh, there's a bus coming. That's a city bus. Bus 22. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, can you see the bird right there? I hope you can see the bird. Bird's up there. Okay. The birds have trees, and the birds, they have baby birds. God made male and female. Okay. This is a nice spot. There's shade right here. Okay, I found some birds. Okay, bye.